Good morning, friends. Good morning, fellow traders, my subscribers. I greet you all. My students, I greet you all. Today is Thursday, the 25th day of February 2021. My name is Samuel Okoyacha, Elliott Wave Beta. I want to follow up on yesterday's midweek analysis to know how my analysis is going. I'm planning to be making daily analysis, though maybe I may increase to 5 to 4 times a week, but the days I don't have time, I will skip. So it will be a mode that I will do daily, but I wish to do that. Today is Thursday. Remember, yesterday, this USD card, I told you on the weekend it will turn from here to go down. Yesterday it was here. I told you it will come around here, maybe retrace from to here and down. Now it has gotten to the place to the place I forecasted it will go. Now what remains is that it may continue going lower, maybe to this line before the pullback. And if it comes to this line, the pullback might not be up to this place, so the pullback might be lower than this place. So if it touches this line, expect the pullback to end around here. So don't think the pullback must come to this place, but the message is that we are still expecting a drop towards this line. Okay, that's for USD card. Let's go to other page. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, just like yesterday, is still the same thing. I'm expecting Bitcoin to turn around here and continue coming down. As you can see, it has came to this very box. Even if it comes higher, it may not exceed this point. So I expect a turn back on this blue box. The blue box have been entered. If you see it, if you see the line, it's entered the blue box. So it will likely go down from here, and the buyers will appear around this place. So if you are buying Bitcoin, you better wait for this second drop. I expect 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. I call it A, B, C or WXY. It's 3 waves drop. So if you buy now, you might likely see your money going down until it turns back around here. That's my own forecast. I prefer to sell than to buy, and if I sell, my stop loss will be here, my entry will be here. My entry will be below this place. This is where it's good to put your entry. That is sell stop below this place. So it will be good to put your sell stop below this place. So that's the best way to trade this coin, unless if you see a sell stop on 1 hour. I don't want to go to 1 hour, but the best place to put sell stop is below this place, unless sell stops appear on 1 hour. You can see it are coming to this blue box, just as I said earlier. So that's all for Bitcoin. Pounds USD, I told you we're gonna come to this blue box, go up once more before we let me go to 4 hours. Yesterday I pointed out we're gonna have a drop of wave 4, then another up before we get a bigger drop. So you can see this blue box have been touched, it may continue going up, or it may drop once more to make it 3 waves. That is, we may have 1, 2, 3. So if the third wave will come, then it will pierce deep into this blue box before this wave 5 will come up around here. Then we get a bigger A, B, C. So watch out for maybe a little drop, then buying will continue. Okay, that's my forecast. I don't have a sell option for now. Pounds yen. On pounds yen, I said we have a drop to this line. It's yet to drop, but it will surely drop. The way the price is moving, we're gonna have a drop to this line, and if it breaks, it will come to this blue box to complete wave 4. If it continues to go up gradually, it means that wave 3 is not yet over. But I think the wave 3 of this yellow degree is over. So I expect it to come down to this place, give us 3 waves to make it wave 4. Then wave 5 will continue. But if it keeps going up, know that the wave 3 is not yet over. But as long as this pace is concerned, it is advisable to buy when you get a pullback, because you can enter buy here now, it will begin to drop, and you become confused, or you close your trade on loss. So it's reasonable to wait for a drop, because I can see that this wave 3 is over yet, or maybe a little push. Then wave 4 will happen, and wave 5 will follow. Okay, so these are our target for wave 5: 152, 153, 153 point something. So here is my target for wave 5. So it will be a very nice trade if you have the patience to get a 3 waves back, the B, C, to complete wave 4. Okay, that's all for pounds yen. Euro USD. There is a little controversy on Euro USD, and I will tell you the reason. From my experience, this very ABC is a complete correction, but most of the time the market do what we call double correction. So if this pair decide to do double correction, expect another sell from this place before buying. Remember I said this is wave B, or wave B will come up here. So from every indication, the wave B have not ended here. Let me remove this. Remove this. So from every indication, wave B is not over here. So this wave B is coming up to this place. Now what does that mean? It means that if we get a rejection to this place and continue coming down, if you get a rejection for this place and continue coming down, then we are having double correction. Understand it now. Then if it goes above this here and continue going up, then this correction has ended this place. Now why am I saying this? If you did not enter buy from here and close it, or from here and close it, it's not wise to enter buy now unless you entered it when this happened. Then you can take a profit here. So entering here now is still good, but not an ideal way of trading, because if you enter it from here excuse me, now stop loss will be here. Ideal place is here to put stop loss, and the market may turn back here. You can see that it makes no meaning to enter buy here. So understand why I make the forecast. So let me show you something. Why I think we will have we will have double correction is this. Let's go to daily. You can see this very move, it has been a long time. This very move is big, so this correction seems to be too small for me. This A, B, C seems to be too small for me, so that's why I suspect that we will have a bigger, this can be a bigger A, then a B somewhere here, and then a C. So it's based on daily candle that I suspect we will have a bigger correction. So nevertheless, it's possible that it has ended here. So the best way to trade this market is to know if we're gonna have double correction. Then if it confirms that double correction is not happening, then we can buy and continue going up. So I just want to trade this to be safe, not buying when it is going up is good, but what matters is that you make a profitable and reasonable trade. So that's why I am opting for double correction. So single correction can be okay, can be all it will do. So for now, let's go to another pair. You know JPY. Okay, remember your JPY yesterday? Yesterday I opted for selling from here, but the selling did not work. It means this is clear that this wave 4 is over here. We are not having another drop. So the next thing to do is to look for buy setup. Then where is the market going? Let me go to daily to know where the market is going, because it's good to know where the market is going before you commit the money. You cannot just enter the market because it is going up or going down. When the market is about to reach destination, you are entering by yourself. So the next target for this very trade is this weekly trend line. That is around 130. So the next target is here. This have been there for a long time. So that's having my long time forecast that is to come here. Though I suspected that we will have another drop before it continues, but since it did not happen, we will follow what we have. So forget about this selling for now and look for buy. Okay, that's all. Look for buy as it is going up and going up very fast. Okay, remember I told you that nobody is right all the time, because it is called a forecast. So your forecast can be wrong, it can be right. So when you are right, most of the time you are doing well. We trade the pattern. That's why I suspected a drop. So this very drop, I suspected it will happen around here before this up move, but it didn't happen. Okay, that's part of the trade. Okay, let's go to the next pair. The next pair we have is DXY. In DXY, yesterday I told you DXY will come to this blue box, that we will have a little push up before it continues. The push up has happened. The little push up have happened already. So now we are expecting it to come down around here. This is a very big box. The reason I put this box big is that the target can end here. It can come to the middle. It can even come below this place. Remember, we are in downtrend, but where I'm expecting to turn back and have correction is towards this very box. It may turn here, may be correct, or come here, or it may come here and make correction inside here and still coming down. So it's selling all the way. It's selling all the way. You can look for buy. If it comes here, maybe make a rejection. Okay, that's all for DXY. I'm not thinking about buying now. I only think about selling on DXY. I don't see reason for to buy DXY. As a matter of fact, DXY is good to buy now. Let me show you something on 1 hour. This very line broken can be a good reason to buy DXY now. Sorry, to sell DXY this moment. See, this low have been taken out, though it's a kind of correcting. But once this low is taken out, it's good to sell. Now, if you sell, where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be either this place or this place. So if you want to sell DXY, you can enter sell now. Stop loss here or here, then take profit inside the blue box. Maybe you can put it here at 8.7, 89.7 or 89.6. That's where I can see it going. Okay. The next is AUD USD. As I just like yesterday, I said we're gonna have another buy towards this place before we get a 3 waves pullback. You can see it is going all the way to this box. Whether it will go above it before the pullback, I don't know yet. But I'll be watching the price movement towards here. We will likely have a 3 wave pullback when it gets to this box, or it may go above it. But the matter is, what matters is that it is going towards our direction. Okay. The next pair is USD/JPY. Just as we forecasted, it is going up. There's nothing much to say on USD/JPY. The only thing I will keep telling you that, in as much we target, our target is far. Don't think it will go fair to this place. I said yesterday, we may come above this place and they have a correction, maybe 3 waves. So I suggest you take your profit when the market closes above this place, then look for another entry. But if there is a news release that will make it to move fast, you may regret taking your profit. See, don't regret any trade you take. What you do in trade is that when you lose a trade, you find out why you lose to avoid the mistake next time. When you take your profit and the market continues to move and you regret, you are making a mistake, because next time you may leave the market you're supposed to close and you end up losing. So once you make profit, be comfortable with the profit you make, but know you market doesn't move in a single line. It moves like this, it moves like this, pull back, like this, pull back, like this. That's how market moves. So as I expect the market to come up to 1.8, 108 or thereabout, don't think it will go fair to 108, but you may continue to have correction, move, and so on. So get that in mind. Gold. Okay, just as gold yesterday, I told you that gold, to watch this blue box. That gold, I explained the gold yesterday. You can see the market is going out of the blue box for now. Yesterday it came down and came up again. So what happens today, we keep watching. It may be a gradual movement but I can see gold making ending diagonal. But if you see a sharp move up above this very blue box, then watch out for this line. That is, if you see a sharp move above this, maybe gold have ended the correction here, though I doubt it anyway. but let's keep watching. So if you want to sell gold, let me go to 1 hour. If you want to sell gold, the best place to put your stop loss. In fact, gold is selling already. It's selling already. So if you are selling gold, your stop loss should be here. But gold is selling already. But if you are a conservative trader, what you will do is place your sell stop here. For conservative traders, sell stop will be here. But I can tell you, gold will continue to sell. On the second note, this can be possible. We explore all possibilities in market, so that if market is going against you, you can say it will likely turn back from here. We may get these 3 waves. It's possible that this is impulse, and it's possible you can get A, B, C before coming down, though it is 30/70 that it will happen. I don't expect it to happen, but if it happens, don't be surprised. That's why I'm saying it. So gold is selling all the way. That's my own view anyway. If you have a buy setup, that's up to you, and I'm explaining what my bias is. New Zealand US dollar. Okay. New Zealand US dollar. Okay. I said that we're gonna have a pullback from here. Yesterday the market was here, I think here or here, I don't know, but I know it's going to come to this box. It's now in this box. Where will it turn? I don't know, but I expect it to turn within this very box. That's what I expect it to turn. Turning is not just turn to continue to go lower, but to give us a 3 waves pullback. That's my forecast on that. Let's go to next pair. The next pair is USDHF. What do we say about USDHF? Just like USDJPY, it is going up. Now, what will you be mindful of? You'll be mindful of we will have A, B, C. So expect maybe, okay, let me go to 1 hour. So we may have 3 waves. You can see it's moving. We may have something like this, something like this. Before we continue going up. So this can happen like this, or it may be going gradually, and then you see it move up. Let me show you something. It may be going gradually in this line, then the next thing is you see the line to pierce and go up. So what I'm saying is that USDHF is a buy market for now. I don't see any reason to sell USD share for now. Okay. I think we have come to the end of today's market update. So maybe by weekend I may add more pays, but for now I want to focus on this very 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want to focus on these 12 pays for now. Maybe towards weekend I may add more, but for now this is where here I will focus. Thank you for listening. Share our video with your friends. Join our Telegram group. If you want to learn, you can request to join students group. Remember, all these charts we have it in pictures in our Telegram group where you can contact all the time, because you will be watching the videos. For instance, if you want to know what is happening on Bitcoin, if you are on Telegram, you will see the picture and you look at it and go away. If you want to know what happened on AUD, you open the picture and see it on Telegram, but you can't see it here. So it's good you join the Telegram group. God bless you. Have a nice trade. Bye.